Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss a very important topic that is called nodejs clustering. So how we can implement clustering in nodejs so that we have increase in the performance, we have increase in the reliability of an application, and how we can move from so that Node.js is using all the CPUs that are there on the system instead of using only one CPU. So friends, let us start the video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded on the channel. So the concept of clustering is it allows network Node.js application to be scaled across. So you can see the diagram. Here we have Node.js, we have 4 vCPUs, but since it is not in a cluster mode, so it is only using one vCPU. So all the load is on one CPU. That is why the performance will be very less. The moment we are implementing clustering, it changes to like this. So we have 4 CPUs and this node, single node, it is using all the 4 CPUs. So the load is divided, so it is working as a load balancer. This greatly increases the performance and reliability of your application depending on the number of CPUs. So if you have 16 CPUs, so the load will be divided into 16 CPUs. The node will be using all those CPUs to for load handling for all the execution. So this is what the diagram says. Now if you want to actually implement, so in order to implement this in your code, again it's very simple thing. In PM2 you just need to add these two things. Whenever you create this your file ecosystem.config.js file, there you define all the different microservices that are being working. If there is no microservice, there is only one service, still you can give the clustering so that your application can be scaled up on all the CPUs that are present. So these are the two parameters that are important. One is your instances. So when we say instances equal to max, so that means that if you have 15 CPUs, so it will be scaled to the 15 CPUs. If we say instance equal to 2, so if we have 15 CPUs, only 2 of them will be used. And execute mode is very important. Even you put instance, if you're not putting execute mode, so execute mode tells that this particular application is supposed to be run in cluster mode, and whenever the concept of cluster is there, it will scale down to all the CPUs present on the machine. So friends, this is very important. Normally in today's world, performance, scalability is the first thing, otherwise your application will not survive. So we need to use maximum of what Node.js provide, what PM2 provides. So this was all about how to implement Node.js cluster using PM2. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.